All right. So first up for week 6 is making inferences. All right. And inferences might be things that clues maybe that you have to pick up along the way to kind of make a judgment one way or the other. It's probably not information that's like directly given to you. So you just kind of have to kind of make your best guess about something. All right. So we are entering narrative writing. Um, you've probably written a lot of personal narrative things where you've written, about a time in your life or, when you went on vacation or when a scary moment or something. All of those would be personal narratives. Um, but narrative writing is also like storytelling as well. Okay, and you're going to take a look at a cool story by Edgar Allan Poe this week. All right, so making inferences, we're going to click on the lesson first. All right. And again, it's going to talk to you more about making inferences, the process of doing that. All right. And then your assignment, you will have a multiple choice quiz about making inferences, and it does deal with the story, The Cask of Amontillado by Edgar Allan Poe. So you need to make sure that you read the story. All right. So make sure that you are going through the entire lesson. The activities and examples that the lesson gives you are helpful. All right. So make sure that you take a look at that. It's giving you two little examples about making inferences there. So check those out for a few minutes. All right. And then again, your quiz is dealing with inferences made in this story. So you need to make sure that you read the story. Um, I am sure that there are free audio things online if you want to like Google Cask of Amontillado if you'd rather listen to it or follow along while you listen to it being read. Should also be, I would assume you should also be able to find it in Spanish if you would rather listen to it in Spanish as well. Okay, so again, uh, take a look at that short story. It's good. You may have read it before, maybe. All right, and then again, your assignment is the Making Inferences quiz. All right. So what you'll do is that is the lesson. So then you will come here and this one with the check marks is the quiz. So you're going to click on that and click start. All right. And then you will enter your multiple choice answers. If you don't finish, there's a place that you can click save. If you do finish in one sitting, then you can just hit submit. Okay. And that is making inferences.